for this one. I did that one catch them for take them go for commissariat for creepy day, and they said they get to carry them today or tomorrow go over for military court for this country people them. Betwa for Manju na one subdivision inside Lom and Jerem for Betwa, the country people them. When I waited it happen for the Unasiam. Now two group for thief people them. This the first one that this boy the way they broke and enter. They be specialized now. They especially broke play with this local and say now this depot for Mimbo play they sell Mimbo for wholesale contribute them. Yes depot as they take column. Now they broke and enter. And then this one he own Nanjap. Ele working out in Jap inside big Munkuta back them for this country for them. He says since we lost the work now this one way they do now business way do take and go suit for Central Africa then they sell and now they do it for the country for them. When they sell them they make money now for take care for a family with them so country now they catch them so inside checkpoint where they do them for that side they for a road for commode bed to the go that side for Garwa Bulai country people them. Then the boy then too now they broke depot for Mimbo thief Mimbo them for go sell them before they catch them with them country people them. We take talk about Pekin for that side for Yaoundé. Yes, na around commissariat with TM for Yaoundé way na Madagascar quarter they call them for this country people them. They Pekin anyway 4 kilo na it is. Now bouncing baby boy as na takes yam. Yes, mami the way they say small okrika them for corner market day. Then the way they contribute now give small clothes them. So that made the nurse and take put for the picking skin. They picking they find a mami born the one for the placenta be see there for a belly way they so the last don't do half a day then cut them now for hospital. So they picking the hospital now so that matter too where they take care for see so picking they find they still define they see make enquete for Sabi Usawe they picking a mami way born go through them for corner dustbin for this whole country people who say they picking in Miami 8 days they go say they will do all thing for catch them because they must sabi say this so this so human they for corner with some place where be there with the belly and now they need to see the belly again for that kind of matter so they don't first catch on 3 girls them country people them interrogate them but they leave them because them where they be the first if it be not them their own between they inside their belly and one don't want to get it begin to for house this whole country people now the situation how we take the happen now for that side place they call and say Yaoundé for Madagascar. Gonsampa Regional Annex Hospital, the 5 IDP them, yes, 5 SDF them where they so they be run war for Southwest for Tumble Cross enter Gonsampa day. Wait happen hungry one finish them. They go find Kokombiako. Kokombiako na tiwe they call and say mushroom or for you get talk to with take them for the unasiam. They go for find Kokombiako. Thank God. You see, I'm not so that belly they bite them, so they suffer all them 5 after they chop the kokombiako, so they do it, they vomit self for day, that hospital. And now hungry, we push them, so how when an ITP picking them, they take them, go down for hospital. Thank God, so they don't, after we don't keep them, give them medicine for hospital, they which drip other one, then they last come out. And governor do all things, so make them no ask them no money for that hospital, they cure them free of charge for the hospital. So country people, them as not take siam. So Kokombiako na team they call and say so now yes this is where Kokombiako with a mushroom na mushroom where they so they chop them so they gonna go find the instead go move now bat one where they so because na 2 kind Kokombiako dey for bush this so they go think na bat one they don't be sabi so now where they make and chop them before you put them inside this wahala so where they take them go hospital country people them for that side there for Bangurine subdivision and inside Noon division for this country people them where it take happen for the na parliamentarian coup pit Adamu na for CDU he go the place for put foundation stone for some bridge for the unasia. They say they get water wahala for inside Bangurine. That not the flow again. The place where they go drink water country people them now inside some small river, small stream there. And the kind of water where they drink and sell for day, now rebu water where they say they give them plenty sick them for day. Water sick them for that say they plenty contribute them. So Kupit Damu enter there now contribute they tell he how it is so they suffer for that Bangurine plenty. So now the places where they want put the bridge where they talk say this so they go there, go put the small foundation stone for the bridge now. Then it's overcry palava water. Look play with the carry water and it's now for back. Mayor a house for they so contribute them. They will they carry water for this matter. So yes, water for wash all thing for cook safe, even for drink. Contribute the people they hear part. They suffer plenty for chapter for water as I see. They gather them so for they so country people and they cannot in that way they so people them they hear part place where they call and say for Bangurine. They so na the kind chapter that we put in the hear part for Bangurine. They for Palaba water for they my own country people them. Make we yet way one woman wey dey stay for Bangura and he manage for talk country people them. I know to Christian do na laugh they laugh surely for that palava so it's a chapter country people them. Make we hear ye.
This water that we are drinking here is not good. This water, all particles of dirt that rain fall on it, shall clear it and put in here. In the water, we feed but badly. We are going now to hospital with the children.
Country people, you don't try Nyangombo for day two, then Kupit Adamu, Honorable. It we talk for microphone for Ahmed Salim Mekuyei.
It's not the well that can give water to drink by human beings. And I will do my best to also give a solution to that problem. So I am glad to be there. I think God will help with the support of this population to go to realize very fully these two micro projects. I am doing what our population asking for me to do. We were visiting launching the project of a bridge. It is a request of the population. So I am giving a response to their request with what I can have as a parliamentarian. And you all know that as a parliamentarian, we have two missions, constitutional missions. We have to make law, we have to control government action. But the population has to do many things who contribute to ameliorate their life. And we cannot wasting our time to explain to them that it is not our job to do it. We are obliged to have what we can get as a son of this village, as a parliamentarian, to help them to solve what can be solved by us. We are now visiting the project of a route that help them to go to the seat of production, agricultural production. It is also their request. It is not my choice. And I accept their choice because it is fundamental for their life.
Country people on around here, Kupit Adamu, be talk for dinner for microphone for Ahmed Salim. Country take go bafu some where they catch contraband. Mimbo for them, Mimbo way come out in Nigeria, be enter Cameroon for semi they put them for inside market them sell them for country people them now this. As enough for control. Around that roadway, it come out Jang the pass go reach for the call and say Carrefour Bamungum. If for human hand you go Bamenda for man hand, you go na bafu some set for town the country people them. So this one na fake mulu as na ye colonel the talk relation commander and then the lieutenant will take care for all this chapter. So na fake mulu that way they so it come now. Maybe say this so fake but na contraband country people. That means say the one way they carry enter with them from Nigeria they the stroke now for say so many they go sell them for inside market and off license them for place where they call them for they say ba fusam contribution anyway they catch them too so for that ba fusam national and take them for the checkpoint where they for Carrefour ba mungum day. We talk about fire now. See this so they put fire na Chakumcha people then put fire burn off license. Snacks for Kumba Day make una see. I say even the way they insert breach, insert fridge here so don't spoil already because fire heat spoil them for day. Wait till it happen, they put them down, they say it. Say the man will come out Manyemen, he run a war for Manyemen and then can settle for Kumbade country people them. Open the snack, say they don't want him making the sell, mimbo them for Brazaris. Say making the sell, mimbo them for Brazaris. So the chakum chapuri now, the vex to take can do it, he can put fire now. Burn all, yes, burn the place, burn now, as now the taxi for the 8 match, then so country people them. Burn now, so the all thing burn for the inside Kumba. Another fire now for Cité des Palmiers, market for Douala country people them. We store them burn on Asia. There's a chapter for this one. Market born. Store them born people that cackle them. Even the one the way they don't put them when I fish and frozen thing the way they put her inside a deep freezer them for cold storage for the born. Close them to them born for that matter so country people them. Wait to take up when they send a short circuit now later where they cut them this weekend. A one come back with it big drum as he come back now so where they so all man be don't turn na the DJ for Song Lulu for that side for the market they so country people them. Wait to take happen now as they come the fire just come back now and the light just come back with it drum. A catch burn the market as na take the sea and so for Cité des Palmiers now inside Douala 5 so for Douala 5 so inside Douala the country people them so na big loss that where it take happen we put the crime for that place they call them for the country people them see this so na Cité des Palmiers market. Another place so for Douala Day na palava for this Okada people them where they need to wear security helmet for they at all even though law talks it so they must get two. The one for Okada man and the one for passenger country people them. They make and so for the kind way they so when they even make their bashman self carry 2 customers, even 3 for they say no security make us here. Inside Douala, like plenty other town then country people them. Look like this one so you get it on for head. But if you ask say get the one for customer, he say chacun s'assoit Dieu le pousse. But also country people he say the matter any man she don't go to push you for chair. But they kind of level so when they talk say this so you supposed to get 2 helmet. Them say one for you Okada man, then the other one if you take customer. How it happen for Rwanda? They so country people yes how it happen for Rwanda? They if you get customer you must put one for your head. You two you get one as they take the talk about this matter like this one so country people them. But how many then get up? Any man say another one go do it for this palava so inside Douala any man they break for this was a TikTok and for this chapter them country people the soon activity where law be talks if you don't get answer they even send you for prison or they put your motorcycle for inside the lock camp for they send you for prison to contribute you pay fine before you take the motorcycle back but they don't mind them any man they handle you manage the way if you manage for inside the Douala here be it customer or even Okada man country people them. We could talk about Palaba Latre, we talk Sewiti, yes, say Arcel when them the control outing them for Latre and people them way they didn't say the NGO them contribute them, they did Tima for Domo with NO for this Palaba city so wait till they happen say made a struggle say made they bring down the price down make any man fi pay and they made they know the cut light anyhow and never yet solved so they can reach now country people them unasia. They say people they even work on very Quran na the kind thing that. So I said the right letter. Send them for big man for electricity company winner in you. For tell them say they will cut light for people them and then they make them bill over high. So that's what they make usually pay factory they plenty pay latte plenty and they say this so it costs and plenty people they make Song Lulu for this chapter so they make and plenty people they cost Song Lulu and when light they come with it strong and they catch fire yourself born transformer people they stay with they don't get light all this matter them but as it take up now the people up to can't now consumers union they never talk any they'll put force in this so make the new type of bring down price for this light we put the consumer and then make the ourselves to struggle for make and say this so make people they answer the letter where they be sending for them since it don't be 1 month today so for Palaba for Latre country people you see how see the cause trouble them side by side for day and it kill plenty people them too they spoil people that chop the inside fish and other one they so country people them will take una go for KKM wait happen for KKM they so country people them now yes Ines Ines na some girl for lower seat for lycée technique de Kekem. That means première G2 for lycée technique de Kekem. We na Injumba we na Kamamburu. E Kili Joey inside well. Unasia. I say lovey ton as something. Chanko Ines. Yes. Now this morning time this way, it come with them for school. They don't carry go with them, they carry this signboard and so walk out them for road this so make the care rest in peace for that matter so country people them. Wait to take happen now go see yes we put the for the we own people then we take to come for that matter so country people now the girl this yes the girl this way if they make lovey which is on army man he run it for war place so that's an that we don't take uniform say put on for the girl a skin you see am for talk say so the girl go be here in one and forever now anyway it don't last kill that girl soon yes kill that girl throw their body inside well they will discover them now yesterday for Kekem they so country people them now the kind situation that we think will happen with now it is so the wrong catchy for this palaver catchy a day for commissariat for Kekem they so country people them. We go Babaju as a road for Komot Babaju Gorish Bamenda. The other day we show a road for Akum enter Bamenda day. The one for Babaju say where they be done they fix some. I said day in day out. It don't be 6 years self sweet counties now they talk that palaver for that road. Rain don't come it up and again unasia. I say moto di komo we di Komot Douala or Yaounde or even Southwest. Enter Bamenda. 5:30 for morning time, 4:30, 5:30, even 6 o'clock. If not been at 8:39, sometimes at 10 o'clock, motor need to enter. For security, Bat Road. Look this one for that side for Baba Jude. Road where they belong to the digging. After they say, na chakumcha people them, can make them, kidnap people them, born caterpillar, they do it to deliver. After now they talk against in a ring. People they suffer, really suffer so for go Bamenda or for come out to Bamenda for night can enter big town them like Douala and Yaoundé. So look like moto. Now inside this level, now they carry who? Moto they carry passenger on a passenger they carry moto for this palaver so contribute. Make man people them come back could be like for that time where they so they be talk about and say they so 7 kata them for Bafu they carry Zingraph 8 moto them. For this so country people they look which we really take the happen so far for people them for that side they for Babaju Road day. Then country people them now take una enter for Ndop day, which this image for Allah Akbar we means say this so Allah they great for that matter. Now the one will be get down, they just send them for we from Ndop day country people them for see how it is so they be take make to for that day for Ramadan prayer for day even so that make peace be make all this chakum challenge stop so for that side day for Ndop I wanna take see with this Ndop to some hot place really hot plenty with this chakum chap people them. Johnson put volume make we get am.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
Una don't get time for day. It means Allah day great country people don't want to talk. Thank you plenty for this sense story. Karin Nkwa, I'm ITP for both. Now very day say if you want to say Nyamango road run, put fire for bush. Thank you for this support to Emmanuel Mbappe and Beta 240. Thank you plenty this other person Cedric for broadcasting. Thank you to Johnson for allowing director for we and do editing to we. Thank you too for all the effort they for editing to Christian Tebong for the country people them. I will must talk program that they continue. Yes, this is matter too. If una see my back belly, it before they go una bye bye.